Maintenance man at Mr. Dog Poop Studios. You all think it's great living in Florida. All year, we got green grass and beautiful weather. Well, that's bullshit. This is not grass. This is fucking palm trees. So we have about 2 months a year where we have green grass. The rest of the year, it looks like this, a pile of dog shit. So why am I pissed off and standing here with weed killer? Because of this shit. This is a brand new driveway. That's not grass coming through. That's a fucking palm tree. That's a palm tree. More palm trees. More palm trees. Another palm tree. This is one that I've already killed. This is one I've killed. This is one. This is one. Now, Mr. Dog Poop just spent a fortune to have the driveway done, and these fucking palm trees are growing right up through the middle of it. As you can see, the palm trees are growing up and they just displace the asphalt. They grow right up through it. So I'm here spraying all these fucking palm trees with weed killer, trying to prevent them from growing up through the driveway. So these invasive Irish clovers, fucking immigrant clovers from Ireland, none of them are 4-leaf, and they're growing up through our driveway. Now, of course, the grass is all fucking dead, but the weeds are growing up through the brand new fucking driveway. And what happens if we just let them grow? This was one of those little palm leaves. We let it grow. We kept trimming it, and it kept getting bigger and bigger. And 5 years after it grew up through the fucking driveway, it looks like this. So if your sorry asses up in North America think you have problems with the snow, try dealing with this bullshit.